All right, so this is my first attempt at this problem, clearly. All right, so this is what we'll eventually type in once we put the correct 4x2 matrix in there. Pretend you don't see any of this. There's nothing to see here. So -6. Nope, almost did it again. -1, 1, 2, 3. Phew, check. -1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll actually go through the process again. So matrix, select matrix A. I need the transpose of that. So matrix menu, go to the one that looks like a little power of T. Stands for transpose. Matrix A. So 4, 5, 5, 15.
I actually spend time on the test, like retyping the matrix in its transposed form. I did not know that.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Did we get to it again? Yeah.
In the matrix menu, you go to math. There's a whole world of things.
Yeah. I can't believe it was right under me typing that in, dude.
Hidden in plain sight. All right, so I also need a 4x1 matrix for y. And those values will be -6, 0, 8, 34. All right, so my y stuff, -6, 0, 8, 34. All right, so I need transpose of x multiplied by y. I have my y saved in as matrix B. So second enter. Change the second matrix to matrix B. 36 and 24. All right, so then we set up our linear equation or linear system. I would imagine that your reduced row echelon formed out at, or just done with the concept, probably 5 minutes after I introduced it. So the inverse matrix approach for solving the system is probably where you want to go. But obviously you don't want to do that by hand either. So what you can do is take this guy. Oh, hold on, come on. This guy and invert it. Well, actually, you're probably better off just storing it. Store it into, I'll just do a matrix C. And then the other guy, we'll store that into matrix D. And then we'll just do a C by D. This way, you still have the matrices. If you know, in the event that you screw something up, you don't have to go back and reinvent the wheel. Store it as. Oh yeah, I had it in my mind that I was taking the inverse, but I never actually did.
You almost stored it as the inverse, but I don't know.
In my mind, it was completed, satisfactory, and it looked great. Mass frac, just in case it mass fracs, often does. Doesn't always. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Decimals are fine. If it does, then you don't have to worry about decimals. So there's a benefit to math fracking. All right, so we're looking at y hat is equal to negative 16 over 7 plus 316 over 35x. If you don't put the hat, it's not a big deal. Not a stat class. So, stat class, big deal. It's part of the curriculum, but here, not as much.